Today is Monday, August 23rd. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes. The day after tomorrow, on Wednesday at 11 a.m. Central Time, I'll be providing a formal update on our proprietary investment management solution, something we call Smart Mix. I'll talk about recent changes, take a look at performance, some updates, and some other things associated with that. I'll be joined by Tom Fox, who will be talking about the positives in the economy, potential headwinds, as well as give us his outlook for the rest of this year and beyond. If you have any questions about Smart Mix, the overall markets, the economy, or otherwise, this message is for you. You get all the details by just going to our website, www.investwithccg.com. While you're there, be sure to sign up for our next client appreciation event. Tony, the wine guy, Porcellini, will lead us through a tour of tequila, taking the art of making fresh margaritas and a non-alcoholic version to a new fun level. No margarita, of course, party would be complete without delicious homemade guacamole, which he'll also be sharing with us as well. So at our website, you can also download the list of items that Tony recommends to make the most of this experience. The event is Tuesday, September 14th in the evening, and I invite you to also share the registration link with your friends and any family members who you think would enjoy Tony's margarita party. With that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will dive into this week's economic update. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. So stocks turned lower last week amid the increasing probability of a Fed tapering, mixed economic data, and growing concerns about the economic impact of the Delta variant. The Dow Jones Industrials average slumped 1.11%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 lost 0.59%. The NASDAQ Composite Index slipped 0.73%, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, surrendered 2.94%. Looking a little bit closer at last week, after the Dow Industrials and S&P 500 Index climbed to new record highs to begin the week, stocks pulled back amid weaker than expected retail sales, festering concerns about the Delta variant, and slowing growth in China. The stock market retreat accelerated midweek with the release of the FOMC, or Federal Open Market Committee, meeting minutes, which signaled that the Fed officials may be ready to begin reducing its monthly bond purchases before the end of the year. Stocks managed to stabilize on Friday, pairing some of the week's losses. Consumer staples, healthcare, real estate, and utilities were the top performing groups. So 2 weeks ago, multiple regional Federal Reserve Bank presidents suggested that the economy was strong enough to justify tapering the Fed's monthly bond purchases. Last week, that chorus grew a bit louder with the release of those minutes that I referenced. The precise timing was left undecided, with some officials believing it should begin before year end, while others thought waiting until the start of the new year was the better choice. So that'll be something that we will need to talk about and watch closely in the future here. So remember, later today, I will be emailing out our full weekly economic update. If you're not getting this and you would like it, you can subscribe at our website. In this update is also our financial tip of the week, companies reporting earnings, financial data that we're watching, plus a riddle for you and a quote as well. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.